Hello everyone. So today we are solving question 55 of GATE 2024 psychology paper. The question says Jagruti's mother was upset to find that Jagruti used her crayons to draw the picture of an animal on the wall of the drawing room. Her mother took away the crayons from her hand and made Jagruti wash the drawings off the wall. Now, which of the following statements are true over here? So here you being asked that which of the options are correct? Having her crayons taken away was a form of punishment by removal, or having her crayons taken away was a form of negative reinforcement? Was it being made to wash off the drawing was a form of punishment by application, or being made to wash off the drawing was a form of punishment by removal? So if we look at these options carefully, then we will find that two of the options are correct over here. What are the two options that are absolutely correct? The option A, that is, having her crayons taken away was a form of punishment by removal. Now the very reason, the very fact that she had she was making something and then she was asked not to continue it is, and she was her crayons was taken away, she was given a punishment by removal. Next, if we look at option C, it says being made to wash off the drawing was a form of punishment by application. Now you applied something and you ask that person, you're asking the child to do to wipe off all the drawings that she has done. So that is a kind of punishment by application. So these two options are correct. Rest, this negative reinforcement and punishment by removal, that is D option, are not the correct options.